everybody, and welcome back to my channel with Bade Art. Belinda here. I have a commission that I'm doing, so I'm just going to cover my canvas. And thank you all for your support and subscribing and sharing and all of the likes and the lovely comments. I do appreciate that, and I appreciate you. I'm going to cover my canvas and then I'll see you in a minute. I thought I'd just run through my paints quickly. I'm using the Pebo Studio Acrylics Black. This is Mars Black. I have viscosity and DecoArt Metallics Royal Ruby and the DecoArt Splendid Gold and the Liquitex Basics Primary Red and a bit of this dust orange. So in each of my colours I have pouring medium. Let's get on to it. I need about, this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, so I'm looking at about 300 mils. I think I'm going to go in with this. Red is not all that red seems, as I've now put the pouring medium in, which is a little unfortunate. So in each of my colours I have 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium, and in the metallics I have 1 part pouring medium to probably about not even a half a bottle, and those are only about a 69-70 ml bottle. These colours are absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful orange. I'm just hoping that this orange is going to give me the effect that I'm actually after. I like it to not mix in with the red too much. And my gold, I'm on 300 mils at the moment. Yep, that's about 325. I don't want to overdo it with the gold because I already have the other metallics as well. So as I said, this is a commission piece for a lovely lady in the South Island of New Zealand. I see lots and lots of bubbles popping here already, and this is why you pour from high up, is to create those bubbles which will create cells. Look how beautiful that is. So I can see cells popping up here already. And I'm just wondering if that rose gold, I think it is, ruby gold, will actually give the same effect as the other metallic gold. So I'll just give this a quick torch. Lots and lots of beautiful bubbles. I see something in here I'm going to have to get rid of. Looks like it could be a blob of paint. Oh, got it. This is absolutely beautiful. See if I can zoom you in. These colours are beautiful. Okay. Wow. This is gorgeous. So, just turn this around. Yep, I think we're going to go off that end there. Amazing. This is unbelievably beautiful. I've got a whole lot of cells popping up on the side here. On the side, I hope you can all see that. And we're now going to go off there. I'm actually half tempted to leave a little bit of that negative space there in the corner, but no. Don't think so. Right, so I don't want to, I'm thinking I don't really want to, wow, start overstretching. My God, this is absolutely beautiful. Sorry guys for saying that, but holy moly. Wow. I think this is most definitely the most beautiful I've ever seen. Whoa. Oh my word. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a torch and I'm gonna bring you down to show you, give you a closer look because wow. If you guys, you know, let me know in the comments field what you think of this, because this is on a different level. I'm just a little concerned that that is actually so far in the center. Wow. Oh, there goes the flamethrower. Oh, you saw a lot of bubbles. No. There's something else there again. Got it. I'd like to see if I can get any more of these pearl cells to pop up from the torching, but I think once I let it stand for a little while, they usually pop up. Okay guys, you're probably in suspense. I'm going to bring you down. Okay guys, I hope you can see all this shininess, the bling bling. It has turned out gorgeous. Unfortunately, I don't have enough light at the moment for you to actually see the bling bling. I just hope you're getting it. All these beautiful pearl cells, and the colors are astounding. You can see a bit of it there, but the whole entire section here is like that, even the pearl cells. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. I love the outcome. Wow. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments field, what are your thoughts on this? Well guys, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.